Good afternoon. Look what I came upon on my skate. It's a young little birdie, and he didn't make it in the roads. Something hit him. Oh, he's got little red wings. Anyway, I've been filming some dead growing trees and bushes lately, and then I came upon this, and it makes me think how fragile life is, and you can't be tempting it with drugs and alcohol and that kind of thing. It would be like a leaf in the wind, and you get knocked down much easier. So keep that in mind this Lent. Think about the last 4 things. Heaven, hell, death, and judgment. Take care, all right? And go for a happy death. It can be happy, it can be heaven all the way to heaven. All right. This is IAM, Nancy the Nature Girl. Over and out.